This award-winning townhome interior renovation in Kitsilano was planned for a close-knit family who looked to reconfigure the functionality of their home and bring them closer together. Originally, walls separated the kitchen from dining and living room areas, leaving the cook in a small, dark, and non-functional space. By taking down the load-bearing walls, we installed a flush-mounted steel beam, creating an open, cohesive space with flow to the living room. Several key features are throughout this home. Additional storage was an essential add for this family. Large skylight brings in much-needed light while maintaining privacy in this strata. By creating an L-shaped built-in bench in the dining room, we were able to create a more comfortable, spacious seating area with built-in storage. The gas fireplace with custom walnut cabinetry creates an inviting, warm space while providing additional storage. This home, functionality was the most important feature that we've introduced for this family, while considering energy efficiency, comfort, and a healthy home environment. New engineered hardwood floors throughout lead you to the upstairs to the master suite, where floor intertwines with hexagon tile in the ensuite. A long custom depth vanity is a statement piece with double trough sinks that provide plenty of elbow room in the space that was once an underused pathway. This custom shower is not only large and functional, but it is a piece of art. Accented by a beautiful freestanding tub. Working within the confines of a strata for condos and townhomes is often difficult. My House specializes in making sure that all of our customers and their neighbors are taken care of through the renovation process. Visit myhousedesignbuild.com to find out more about our award-winning team and process.